is really hard work. You might not get a day off in weeks. When I knew that I needed to build a bulletproof buggy, I knew that I had to call in the experts, Al and Andrew.
Al, you got any ideas?
Yeah, got some ideas, mate.
Oh, my cheeks are hurting.
That's about a 14-metre difference.
Lock her on. Oh, look at that.
If you're as good as that in the kitchen, you are American material.
Get back to work. With all the work that Terrain Tamer's doing, I'm really hoping that this buggy will be as strong as it possibly can. Well, today's the day. Got to get into mustering. The buggy's ready. I've been waiting for this for months. I love how the bull buggy's turned out. It looks awesome, but more importantly, it's safe, it's practical, and it's going to get the job done. That's one mean-looking bull buggy.
We're heading to a nearby station, Thorntonia, where we'll be clearing out the holding paddock. The herd has been there since before the wet. We will meet with Bill, the chopper pilot, who is leading the muster.
Adam, you take these three fellas, the pommies, you go up on the northern end, go to 16 and we'll put all them cattle out in the 6 mile and go to Johnson's. Al, Dillard, Jess, can you stay up on the southern end up here?
Just Jess.
Just Jess. I'll call you a lot worse things by then we'll go. And then we'll use the take yours to the east over there.
Yep.
Ride safe. Right, let's go.
Cattle mustering, 4-wheel drives, dirt bikes. Yeah, can't wait for this. Best day at work ever.
Oh, cattle muster, it seems to me the only thing you learn is what you see on TV, I suppose. I'm excited to see something happen, like to be there. You know, I think it'd be great. To be part of it, be even better, you know.
Al says he's done a little bit of mustering before, but somehow I think this is a bit different to a horse and 3 goats.
It's a piece of cake. There'll be no trouble at all.
Uncle Al has a lot of experience riding, but I'm just hoping he actually listens to the guy who's in charge.
After so much hard work put into it, I've named it Blue Steel.
Reckon Blue Steel's ready?
Well, we're going to find out.
Yeah, I suppose so. Okay, let's go. Can't wait.
Mustering season is exciting, and when you first start it, you're raring to go. By the end of it, you can't wait for it to end because it is hard work.
If I understood it right, we should be seeing it coming up soon on our left, yeah?
Yeah.
There's 4, 5 gears there, Willie. We'll just push them over to the fence. Yeah, right. Just the same way that other little red ones took off there, Jeff.
Teamwork is really important when you're mustering, so we'll see how Alan goes because he likes to go and do his own thing. Might have to get one of those retractable leaves.
Clear on the left.
At least in the Pilbara there was no trees. When you're mustering, it's different each day. You can be adrenaline pumping, just racing through the flats after a wild animal. Or you can be sitting under a tree because you've been lost for 3 hours. They still got new tyres.
Yeah. Well, they're taking it all right so far.
Yeah.
Anyway, sure you didn't want to name this the Land Cruiser?
Got a mob of cattle here behind you, Jeff.
It can be absolutely chaotic when you're out there mustering. There's choppers flying overhead, animals running out of the scrub. It is really exciting.
They're not real keen on that helicopter, are they? That'd be the job to have, eh?
drive properly.
You're doing well. No wonder you're all over the road.
There's this other mob going up the creek. Let me just try and point these fellas in with them, and then we should be good.
Well, after the first bit of action, someone finally decided to catch up to us.
We just got to keep them on this road going.
Oh, yeah.
Uncle Al looks very focused.
Can you get across there, Al? Oh, look at him go.
Oh, he's a machine on the bike.
Al, if you can hear me, can you just point those cattle right up to them and point them the other way?
You mean the whole mob or the four that I'm looking after?
The whole mob needs to go towards the hills.
Okay, I'll come back. I'm chasing another 4.
Now we're really testing this buggy's capabilities.
There was a couple of times I had to switch the E-locker on, but got the job done.
I can't see him. Where is he? He must be way out.
Yeah, he's just over there.
Hey, don't worry about me, kids. Uncle Al's got it under control.
And that's the first mob through the gate. How good's that?
How'd you get on?
All right, pretty good.
Was that exciting?
Yeah, it's
Do
good.
you want to have a go on the buggy with me? We'll chuck
Yeah, I'll
Andrew
have
on
to
the
go on
bike.
the bike. That'd be great.
It's all right. We'll just get this 6 gun off.
So we've got that mob back home where they're supposed to be in their paddock. We've got more cattle over there to pick up. The other boys are over there, so we'll join up with them and help. And we'll be bringing them back through here. But I'll just draw you a map of where we're going.
All right.
All right, so that's where we are now. This is the gate. Road comes around really sharp. Over here, there's a water point there. So most of the cattle will be around there, but just make sure that when we go around there, because we'll come up around this road, we'll go around quite wide just to pick up any strays that aren't on the water there, and then we'll bring them on in.
I'm not that good with maps. What I'll do, probably, is take it with me and we'll have another look at it further around.
You better not put that in my buggy.
I might need it later down the track.
Andrew is a natural on the bike, but it's definitely out of their comfort zones. They both did really well though. It's not easy coming into this. We all put a lot of hard work into muster-proofing Blue Seal. I think it was worth it. Some of it, you can tell that it's made a difference straight away, but I know the rest of it is preventative and I'm not going to have a problem down the track. It's been a massive week. I am so tired, but I'm relieved and I'm so thankful that Al and Andrew came along to help me with this mustering buggy. It's set me up for years now and I know that it's going to be reliable. And anytime they want to come back and help me fix something, they are more than welcome to.